Good morning and a very warm welcome to our respected principal ma'am, respected vice principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Aryan Sao from class 7C welcoming you all in a National Sports Day celebration. Before commencing the event, we will have our traditional auspicious e-lamp lightning ceremony along with the invocation of Goddess Saraswati, followed by the welcome song from Kamlesh Upadhyay sir and the e-lamp lightning from Tilok sir.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतदेवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती अभी हम हमारे मुख्य अतिथि के सम्मान में, सर के सम्मान में एक मैं स्वागत गीत गाने जा रहा हूँ। हे वंदनीय स्वागत शत बार है तुम्हारा, हे वंदनीय स्वागत शत बार है तुम्हारा, अभिनंदनीय स्वागत शत बार है। वर्षों की लालसा थी, चाहा था यही मन, आए कभी जो एक दिन श्रीमान देने दर्शन, आए जो तुम हो चमका सौभाग्य का सितारा, अभिनंदनीय स्वागत शत बार है तुम्हारा। ना मेरे पास धन है, न कोई भी रतन है, ये फूल ही है सब कुछ, इनमें ही तन व मन है। स्वीकार कर लो अनुपम, स्वीकार कर लो अनुपम, सौभाग्य है हमारा, अभिनंदनीय स्वागत शत बार है। हे वंदनीय स्वागत शत बार है तुम्हारा, अभिनंदनीय स्वागत शत बार है। बहुत बहुत स्वागत सर।
धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful song. Our National Sports Day is celebrated every year on 29th August to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. So, on this day, I would like to call Arya for presenting a small video.
Good morning, everybody. Sports Day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. This day is observed to spread awareness on the importance of sports and daily activities in everyone's life. Let's see who this legendary player was.
August 29 is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. This day marks the birthday of Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as the greatest hockey player the world has seen to date. On this day every year, the President of India gives away sports-related awards like Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and the Dronacharya Award at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dhyan Chand was born on August 29, 1905, and this year marks his 110th birth anniversary. He is known as the hockey wizard because of the way he controlled the ball with his hockey stick, leaving opponents amazed and confused. In 1922, at the age of 16, Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army. He retired at 56 with the rank of major. He made his international hockey debut in April 1926 against New Zealand. The hockey icon earned 3 Olympic gold medals. In 1928 at Amsterdam, in 1932 at Los Angeles, and in 1936 at Berlin. It was because of him that India ruled this game during that period. In the 1928 Olympics, when India made its debut in hockey, he scored 14 goals, finishing as the leading goal scorer at the event. In the 1932 hockey final, India beat USA 24-1. Dhyan Chand scored 8 goals while his brother Roop Singh netted 10. In a career spanning from 1926 to 1948, Dhyan Chand scored over an estimated 1,000 goals. He passed away on 3rd December 1979 in Delhi due to liver cancer. The hockey wizard is widely regarded as the greatest athlete India has ever produced.
Thank you, Arishri, for this knowledgeable video. Mantra, a sacred Sanskrit phrase, is used in many spiritual traditions. When you chant mantras, your mind releases positive energy and decreases the negative thoughts or stress. Now, to release positivity and calm our mind and soul, I would like to call Aditi from 8 to say some mantras and increase our self-awareness along with a greater sense of calm.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः सर्वे अपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीरं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Thank you, Aditi. Now, here presenting Surya Namaskar and some yoga asanas by our school students. Thank you, everyone. It was wonderful to connect with you all in this way, and we are so grateful to you for offering us time and energy. Sports are one of the most happening thrills of life. Sports are something that teach a human many qualities like dedication, leadership, discipline, and many more. It is a well known fact that any form of physical exercise is good for not only the body but for their spirit as well. Now, I call upon Prapti from class 7 to give speech on importance of sports and games in our life.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, respected vice principal sir, teachers, and my all dear friends. Today I am Prapti Amar Sawant from class 7A is going to present importance of sports and a game in our life. Sport is such an activity that it can be taken up by anyone at any age, at any point in a life. Adults, children, and elders, everyone can take part in sports. Sports play an important role in our life. It is said that education is incomplete without sports. Sports help in the overall development of the children. Participation in sports keep us physically fit and healthy. Sports and games improve our capability and our efficiency. Further, study and work alone make us exerted. Sports remove our exertion and give us an opportunity to grow in a life. These days, sports has great potential to offer career opportunity. So one should take it very seriously from the very early age of a life. It offers to prove our talent and thus sports have great value in our life. Thus, I want to include by saying sport is a great medium to keep the mind, body, and soul maintained. Thank you.
Thank you, Prapti, for your enlightening speech. Physical activity is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle for children, and school can play an influential role in helping students engage in physical exercise and play. Now, to know here our school KVIIT Pavai in inculcating this in us, let's enjoy the virtual tour of our sports ground and sports resources. Now, after this enjoyable virtual tour of our school, I would like to call Abriana from class 5th A to sing a song.
नमस्ते। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। ये गुलसिता हमारा, सारा जहां हमारा। ये गुलसिता हमारा, सारा जहां हमारा। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। हम तो कभी न हार है इरादे हमारे, हम ना रुकेंगे, हम ना रुकेंगे। आंधी आए तो आए, तूफान आए तो आए, आगे बढ़ेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। सबका भला करेंगे, हम तो हरदम रहेंगे सबका सहारा, सबका सहारा। सबकी आंखों के तारे ऊंचे सपने हमारे, कल है हमारा, कल है हमारा। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। हम फूल हैं गुलशन के, गुलशन महकाएंगे। ला ला ले ला ले ला ला, ला ला ले ला ले ला ला। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Adriana, for such nice song. Now, I would like to call Sanjay from class 5th B to give a speech in Hindi on Major Dhyan Chand.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम श्लोक संजय गरेंडे है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आपको खेल की जगत के जादूगर मेजर ध्यानचंद जी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। कृपया ध्यान से सुनिए। मेजर ध्यानचंद जी को हॉकी के जादूगर माना जाता है। उन्होंने हॉकी खेलना फौज में शुरू किया। उन्होंने भारत को लगातार 3 बार ओलंपिक खेलों में स्वर्ण पदक प्राप्त कर दिया। ऐसे बड़े खिलाड़ी का जन्म 29 अगस्त 1905 में हुआ, इसलिए हर साल 29 अगस्त के दिन खेल दिन मनाया जाता है। ध्यानचंद जी की दौड़ इतनी थी कि यूनाइटेड स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट की प्रतिमा स्थापित की गई थी, जिसके 4 भाग और उनमें 4 हॉकी स्टिक थे। दोस्तों, ध्यानचंद जी इतने चमत्कारिक खेलते थे कि संसार भर में लोगों को संदेह होता क्या उनकी स्टिक लकड़ी के अलावा दूसरी चीज से तो नहीं बनी। हॉलैंड में तो उनके स्टिक को तोड़कर देखा गया कि क्या उसके अंदर चुंबक तो नहीं। जापान के लोग मानते हैं कि ध्यानचंद जी के स्टिक के अंदर बोम है। बर्लिन ओलंपिक्स में ध्यानचंद जी के खेल से हिटलर भी इतने प्रभावित हुए थे कि उन्होंने ध्यानचंद जी को जर्मन सेना में कर्नल बनने का प्रस्ताव दिया। वह ध्यानचंद जी ने उसे ठुकराया। 30 वर्ष के उत्कृष्ट कार्य के बाद ध्यानचंद जी ने इंटरनेशनल हॉकी टीम को अलविदा किया। ऐसे असाधारण योगदान के लिए भारत सरकार ने उन्हें पद्म भूषण पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sanjay, for such a knowledgeable speech. Now, I am glad to invite our sports teacher S.K. Wale sir to show us some physical activities and motivate us.
Stand up. सब लोग खड़े रहो। and came on the right. Change. Inner top side. Change. Change. Hit, guys. Change. Reverse. Twist. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अभी aerobic workout, cardio exercise. Ready?
All you want, all you need, beauty, skincare, set, touch your feet.
Come on. Change. Backing. Change. Elbow. Change. Hands up. Come on. Come on. Change. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We will always remember you with the deepest respect and affection for your efforts in making each lesson and activity enjoyable and educational. Now, I would like to call my friends to perform a song.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाले हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, friends, for your wonderful song. Now, let's have a look at some sports activities performed by our school students. What a performance by each and everyone. Thank you all for your wonderful performance. Speech is not just from lip to ear, but from heart to heart. So let's now welcome the man who doesn't need any introduction and is known among all of us for his wisdom, knowledge, and active behavior, our respected S.K. Wale sir, to say a few words and enlighten us.
सभी को नमस्कार. रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल मैडम, रिस्पेक्टेड वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर, त्रिलोक सर, कमलेश सर, अर्पिता मैडम, सभी अभिभावकगण और मेरे सभी प्यारे बच्चों, पुनः सभी को नमस्कार. आज का कार्यक्रम जो मेजर ध्यानचंद जी के जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में अपने विद्यालय ऑनलाइन राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के रूप में आयोजित कर रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इतना कम समय में आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा कार्यक्रम दिखाया. एक कार्यक्रम आयोजित करने से पहले प्रिंसिपल मैडम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर, इनका मार्गदर्शन पे प्लान करके आपको दे दिया था. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा मेहनत किया. बच्चों, ध्यानचंद जी का स्किट, उनका स्टोरी आप लोगों ने अभी सुना. उस प्रकार अगर आपको ध्यानचंद जी से जैसे आपको अगर बनना है तो बचपन से ही अच्छा प्लानिंग करके आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. मेहनत करने के बाद ही आप अपने मंजिल तक पहुंच सकते हैं. एक उनका एग्जांपल देता हूं. जब ओलंपिक गेम में इंडिया का टीम हॉकी ओलंपिक में खेल रहा था, उस वक्त जो इंडिया का टीम लगातार 8 बार इंडिया ओलंपिक में स्वर्ण पदक जीता, ऐसी टीम ओलंपिक में खेलते समय हाफ टाइम तक एक भी गोल न कर पाया. तो पूरे टीम मेंबर ध्यानचंद जी को पूछा, क्या हुआ ध्यानचंद जी, एक भी गोल नहीं हो रहा अपनी टीम का? फिर कहने का मतलब है उनका कॉन्फिडेंस. तो ध्यानचंद जी ने रेफरी को बोला कि मैच रोका. बीच में मैच रोक के रेफरी को बोला, गोल पोस्ट का आप मेजरमेंट करो. सब लोग दंग हो गए. इतना बड़ा टूर्नामेंट में ऐसा हो सकता है? ध्यानचंद जी कुछ मत बोल, न चुप बैठो आप. तो रेफरी ने मेजरमेंट टेप लेके आए. 2 फीट गोल पोस्ट छोटा था. फिर गोल पोस्ट चेंज किया. फिर बाद में लगातार इंडिया का टीम गोल किया और इंडिया की टीम जीत गई. तो कहने का मतलब है कॉन्फिडेंस कब आएगा? प्रैक्टिस मेक मैन परफेक्ट. अगर आप बार बार हर चीज वही चीज का अगर अभ्यास किया, उस चीज में आप आगे जा सकते हैं. इसलिए हार्डवर्क करना बहुत जरूरी है. आप इस उम्र से अगर वेल प्लान किया, हार्डवर्क किया, अगर आप लोगों ने प्लान करके मेहनत किया, तो शारीरिक, मानसिक, बौद्धिक, आध्यात्मिक इन गुणों का विकास करने के लिए बचपन से कोशिश किया, तो आप अपने मंजिल तक, बहुत सारे महान खिलाड़ी हैं, उनके जैसा आप बन सकते हैं. तो इसी साल राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड जो केंद्र सरकार की ओर से दे रहे थे, उसमें अभी राजीव गांधी के नाम से देते थे. अभी इस साल से जादू का, हॉकी का जादूगर मेजर ध्यानचंद जी के नाम पे राजीव गांधी जो दे रहे थे, अभी ध्यानचंद जी खेल रत्न अवार्ड बोल के इस साल से भारत सरकार ने डिक्लेयर किया. बहुत खुशी होता है किसी प्लेयर के नाम पे अगर अवार्ड दे रहे, बहुत खुशी होती है. तो बच्चों, आपको इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. तो अ साउंड माइंड इन अ साउंड बॉडी. एक स्वस्थ शरीर में ही एक स्वस्थ दिमाग का विकास होता है. अगर आपका शरीर मजबूत रहे, स्वास्थ्य मजबूत रहे, आपका मस्तिष्क का विकास होता है। इसलिए बच्चों, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ अपने स्वास्थ्य की तरफ ध्यान देना है, स्वास्थ्य मजबूत रखना है, तो अदर एक्टिविटी में भाग लेना है। जैसे आप लोगों को हम आपका मोटिवेशन स्पीच के लिए अलग अलग वीडियो दिखाते हैं, और ये खेल का आयोजन करने का यही उद्देश्य है, आपको मोटिवेशन मिलनी चाहिए। तो मैं आशा करता हूं सब लोग मेहनत करके ध्यानचंद जी के जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे। तो आपको ऑल द बेस्ट। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. It is really pathfinder for us and it will give us inspiration in future journey. Thank you again. Dance is the most beautiful form of expression of humans' feelings. Dancers are the messengers of the gods. Today, we are about to witness a great performance by Avnish from class 7th C. That was indeed a lovely performance. Thank you, Avnish, for this sparkling dance performance. One tree can start a forest, one word can frame a goal, one candle can wipe out darkness. A true leader has a confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the need of others is an art. This quote says very much filling to our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Mamta Bhattacharya. You are our leader. You show motherly love, earnest care. Your guidance and support prove that you are a great leader. We are really blessed to have a principal like you. With a thankful heart, I welcome our respected principal ma'am to say a few words and enlighten us.
थैंक यू अद्विता।
मैडम 1 मिनट है। तो सभी बच्चों से एक बार मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ। सॉरी मैडम, आपका परमिशन लेता हूँ। बच्चों, मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है मैडम के मार्गदर्शन पे मैं पिछले 7 साल से काम करता हूँ। एक डायनेमिक हार्ड वर्कर, डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर तो बहुत डैशिंग प्रिंसिपल हम मानते हैं, क्योंकि जो भी डिसीजन ले रहे हैं क्विक डिसीजन लेते हैं और हमेशा मार्गदर्शन करते हैं। इस साल मैडम का ये आखिरी स्पोर्ट्स डे है, तो मैडम को वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर को रिक्वेस्ट किया तो उन्होंने मेरी परमिशन दिया। धन्यवाद, क्योंकि केंद्रीय विद्यालय का संगठन का सर्कुलर रहने के बावजूद भी अपने महान जादूगर हॉकी का ध्यानचंद के नाम पे खेल दिवस मनाया जाता है, तो मैडम ने परमिशन दिया, तो मैडम को मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं, क्योंकि हमेशा मुझे सपोर्ट किया और जो भी मैं डिसीजन लेता हूं हमेशा मैडम मुझे ग्रीन सिग्नल दिया। तो ऐसा डायनेमिक प्रिंसिपल का अपने सभी खेलकूद विभाग की ओर से, सभी अभिभावक बच्चों के अध्यापक की ओर से मैं क्लैप बजा के उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं। क्लैप।
सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी को ध्यानचंद जी के जन्म दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। और अद्विता, यू हैव डन ग्रेट जॉब इन कंपेयरिंग. Without you, the program was not successful, I can understand. So keep the good works going. And congratulations to all the students who involved in this program. Wonderful program. Very in what Wale said, true. In a very short notice, we started, and we have done a wonderful job. So congratulations to all. And I just agree with Wale, whatever he said, that we have to keep our health fit and fine. So in this pandemic situation, it is very important to do some physical exercises every day. So we hope that you all will do excel in your study also. So wish you all the best once again, as we know that your classes are going to start soon. So this is school playground. I am in your school playground. School playground is missing you very much. You can see your ground. Wale get it cleaned recently. So let us pray God to start school soon. And at least from 8 to 12 students should be in the ground in few days. So wish you all the best. वाले सर बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ.
थैंक यू।
हर दिन आपका बोलने का जो स्टाइल है वो भी अच्छा होता जा रहा है ना.
थैंक यू।
बधाई है ना, बहुत अच्छे छोटे और इसमें आप अभी बोलते हैं तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपको सुन के. और सभी को, सभी बच्चों को, वाइस प्रिंसिपल सर को, मेरे कुछ शिक्षक भी जुड़े उन सबको आज के दिन की ध्यानचंद जी के जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं एंड बधाई. थैंक यू.
आपको भी मैम, आपको भी धन्यवाद मैम.
धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू.
Thank you, ma'am, for your appreciation and support. We are forever grateful for your impact on our school KVIIT Powai. The more you take responsibility of your past and present, the more you are able to create the future you seek. Now, it is my turn to extend a gracious and inducive welcome to our respected Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Mithilesh Singh, for your valuable words that create an platform for us to grow both mentally and spiritually. On this occasion of National Sports Day with merging of mind, we welcome you, sir, to enlighten us with your valuable words.
Thank you, Arpita. Thank you, a great job. I am very happy to see you that you have conducted the program very well. So thanks to you first of all. Very good morning to dear students, parents, our teachers, ma'am, principal ma'am, and all those who have joined the celebration of National Sports Day today. You all people have done a great job, and definitely the contribution of each of one is worth appreciable. So I do appreciate all of you for your sincere effort, for the presentation, for your dedication under the guidance of Wale sir. Before I go in detail, first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Sports Day 2021. And I congrats to all of you for such a dedicated and lively presentations on this occasion. Dear student, all of you have done a remarkable job, presented each and every item so well, especially the Advita, her comparing Prapti speech, Arya Sri, Aditi, Aryan, Avrina song, Slok Sanjay speech in Hindi, then the song Hum Honge Kamyab Ek Din Man Mein Hai Vishwas. All the items were very good, well presented, and definitely one dance in the end by Abneesh of class 7C and the presentation of Wale sir. Excellent presentation, excellent performance. Children, I am very happy today and feel proud of you. You, Wale sir and teacher, because when Wale sir discussed with me a few days ago, sir, can we conduct the online meeting, online sports day? And immediately I said, yes, sir, why not? We can conduct it. Just now, ma'am has told that a school ground is waiting for you. Definitely, that is true, children. We are also missing you. But today's program, I have felt something different that I am sharing with you. What is my feeling? That it came to my mind that the on the ground performance is good, but this performance is far better than the ground performance. That I realized today, because that is very good in a very in a sequential way, in a very methodological presentation. Everything was very fine. So congratulations to all of you and Wale sir. Now I'm coming to the sports and Major Dhyan Chand ji. Bachon, today's I would like to draw your attention to 2 or 3 points, bete. Just listen attentively. That is the message on this day. You can remember it for your life. You see, 1947, our country became independent. That all of you know. Major Dhyan Chand ji played 3 Olympic games, 1928, 1932, 1936. That is pre-independence era. Our population at that time in 1947 was 16 crores. Today we are 135 crores. See, and what is the level of sports? Olympic Games started in the 19th century. We are in 21st century, 135 crore population. And this year we have got 7 medals, 1 gold, rest silver and bronze medal. This is a big question before you children, because this generation from you, there is a lot of expectation to this nation, to me, to this school, to your sports teacher, to your parents, that why not we Indians are achieving remarkable success in Olympics and the international events. So 2 days, as you have sing a song, Hum Honge Kamyab Ek Din, that is quite relevant and appropriate, and you have to be successful. आपको कामयाब होना है, आपको कामयाब होना है अपने लाइफ में, अपने देश के लिए, अपने आप के लिए, अपने माता पिता के लिए. ये हमारी आप लोगों से अपेक्षा भी है और आपके भविष्य के लिए हमारी दुआ भी है. This is my wish that all of you can achieve that success, and definitely some more and more Major Dhyan Chand should come to our school, in our nations, in our country. Only then we can feel proud of our great nations, great achievement, children. One more thing I would like to tell here, that you see, Dangal film you have seen. What is the message of that film? The determination of one father in a village of Haryana. See the determination, I'm using the word determination. That changed the entire perspective of the sports related to the बेटियां. Daughters के लिए, लड़कियों के लिए जो हमारे देश में कॉन्सेप्ट था, उसको उन्होंने तोड़ दिया. जो साइकोलॉजिकल बैरियर था कि लड़कियां कुश्ती नहीं कर सकती, रेसलिंग नहीं कर सकती है, और आप रिजल्ट देख सकते हो कि हम हर एक लोग उस चीज को आज भी एंजॉय करते हैं, गौरव फील करते हैं. आप इमेजिन करो, अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर नहीं हुआ होता, अगर MS धोनी नहीं होते, तो आज हमारे देश की खेल में क्या स्थिति होती? क्या हमें वो सम्मान मिलता? क्या हमारी जो रिस्पेक्ट है वर्ल्ड के नजर में वो हमें मिलता? नहीं मिलता. तो बेटे, आज के दिन हमारा यही आप लोगों से मैसेज है, आप लोगों से अपील है, और आप लोगों के लिए हमारी दुआ है कि मैं विश करता हूं, I wish to all of you and pray to God is some more Dhoni, some more Sachin Tendulkar, some more Major Dhyan Chand should come in our country. Only then India was great. That is true. India now has to be great, and in future India has to be great. That we have to maintain it. So this is my message for all of you. Please manage the balance between a study and the sports. And if you are interested in sports, go ahead, because the old concept, if you are going to play, you will remain unemployed, you will not have a good life, that concept is not irrelevant. So there is no need of thinking like this. If you like sports, maintain the balance and go ahead. So all the best to all of you. One more thing I would like to tell here today. See, Betty, what is the benefit of the sports? What is the benefit of the physical exercise? All of you will agree with me. See your Bale sir. At the age of 50 plus, if I am not wrong, see Bale sir is very energetic, physically fit, never getting tired. See, this is the benefit of the physical fitness, physical exercise. I sometimes feel, why not I am so strong like Bale sir? Why I am not so energetic like Bale sir? Because I do not have time and I have not given that much importance to sports in my college life. Yes, school life, till that I was very much, like Bale sir. So this is the benefit. If you are physically fit in your life, only then you can become a great scientist, you can become a great engineer, you can become a great doctor, or in any field you can excel, or you can enjoy your life. As you know, the today children are the future of the nation. Today's child is the father of tomorrow. So you have to share your responsibility, and for that physical fitness and physical power, physical strength is must. So on this occasion, once again, wish you all the best for your future endeavor. And last but not the least, I thanks to all the students, those who have participated directly, indirectly, those who have participated in the event. And I thanks to Wale sir, especially your sports teacher, Trilok sir, for extending unconditional support to Bale sir and his school whenever any technical support is required. Without Trilok sir, this program would not have been successful. Now come to the Kamlesh sir. Early in the morning, you have listened the song or the Saraswati Bandhana from Kamlesh sir. So thanks to Kamlesh sir for coming forward and making this program very successful. Now come to Arpita madam, a very sincere teacher. This is my remark for her. Thus is not permanent teacher in our school, but her cooperation is also remarkable. So thanks to Arpita ma'am also. And
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to Bale sir. Yeah. So children, thanks to all of you. And one request, please, all of you, give a big round of applause to Bale sir and team and for all the students. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाओ सर. And that is great. This spirit, this energy level you always maintain. And I'm very happy to see your face. And all the friends are very energetic, very healthy. That gives me a solace to my heart. Because even you are staying back at your home for the last 2 years, but you are maintaining your health. You are at the same level. So always we remain like this, and we'll always feel proud of you. And you also try to feel proud of you. So thanks, children. Thanks to all of you. Thanks, Bale sir and team. Thanks to Lok sir, Arpita ma'am, and all of you. All the best. Okay. Very soon we see all of you in the school. And one more thing I would like to add here. I have seen the Bale sir has arranged the program very successfully. Yeah. He was a little Aditya, he was a little bit worried, but I have seen class of students from 5, 7, 8, 10, 12 also. They have joined the meeting, 10th and 12th. That is also great. So once again, thanks to all of you. All the best. Enjoy. Maintain proper discipline in the life. Give attention to your study. Give attention to your physical health. And do whatever Bale sir is telling to you. Because he is creating problem for all of you. I know early in the morning, 6:30. He is sending the message, please get up, come and join the aerobics and all the physical exercise. but do follow him, whatever he is telling to you, to maintain your physical health very good. Thanks to all of you, बच्चों, all the best. Thanks.
हाँ सर, 1 मिनट, अभी वोटा थैंक्स सर लड़का बोलेगा सर.
Thank you, sir, for providing us this knowledge and moral support. We students are really grateful to you for every single effort you always made in the direction of improving the education standard in our school. Now, I would like to call Aryan Sahu for vote of thanks.
To one and all gathered here on this magnificent day, I would like to present the vote of thanks. Firstly, I would thank the school principal ma'am and the vice principal sir for letting us conduct the celebration. Then I would like to thank our sports teacher Vale sir, computer teacher Trilok sir, and music teacher Kamlesh sir. Then I would like to thank our subject teachers for always motivating and supporting us. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my fellow students for conducting and organizing the celebration. Without you guys, the celebration won't be a success. Lastly, I would like to thank the audience for attending this wonderful celebration. Once again, I thank one and all wholeheartedly. Thank you. And now we are going to end our sports day celebration by singing national anthem. I request everyone to stand up on their places to do national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधितरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे Thank you everyone. This is the end of our celebration.